Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain statements and blocks. What is statement? Instructions that a Python interpreter can execute are called statements. There are many types of statements, single line and multi-line. In a single line, you can write a statement within a line. It is single line. Multi-line means that you can write in a multi-line for readability. There are other types of statements are available. Assignment statements, conditional and loop statements, expression statements. There are many types of statements in these categories. I've written in a PPT. Please go through with the PPT. There is a multi-line statements. Multi-line statements I explained before itself. For the readability, we are using multi-line statement. If you are writing a code within the single line, it makes it difficult to read. So we are making it multi-line. We can make utilize parentheses, braces, brackets, semicolons, and slash to make code more readable. Block is a group of statements. Block of statements can be indented together. Blocks are used to define the scope of variable and to control the flow of execution. The statements in a block are executed as a unit. This means that if one statement in the block raises an exception, the remaining statements in the block will not be executed. And if you are defining a variable, that variable is useful within the block only. It is visible within the block only. It is not visible outside the block. This is called a scope. I hope you understood. This is the example of a block. My function is the function. Within this my function, x equal to 10 is the statement. Print x is the statement. These two statements are indented by 4 spaces. These are in the same level. So this is a block of code. And another if condition is also available. The same thing we can explain just like a function. I hope you understood. I'm moving to the next slide. The rules for Python block syntax. Blocks must be indented by 4 spaces. Statements in a block must be indented by the same amount of space. The scope of a variable in a block is limited to the block itself. I hope you understood. See you in the next session.